Python SciPy for Scientific Computing. Comprehensive Guide to SciPy's Submodules and Applications. SciPy is a powerful library in Python that enhances scientific computing. It builds on NumPy and is widely used in various scientific domains for complex computations. SciPy consists of several submodules, each tailored for specific tasks. Integration, optimization, and statistical analysis, key areas covered by these submodules. SciPy's Integrate module offers precise methods for numerical integration, including quadrature, to handle both single and multiple integrals effectively. The Optimize module in SciPy provides tools for minimizing functions, supporting both linear and nonlinear problems with algorithms such as FEGS and Nelder-Mead. SciPy's Stats module is essential for statistical analysis, offering tools for hypothesis testing, probability calculations, and generating random variables and distributions. SciPy is useful in signal processing, providing capabilities to analyze and transform signals, including performing Fourier transformations and filtering data. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.